nagkabag-bonding na ba kayo with the families? Kamusta si Carmina talaga? Kasi ang maraming nagsasabing,
I think that's fake news.
paano ko nag-celebrate ng Valentine's?
Oh,
Saan
of
kayo?
course. Nag-dinner kami ni Mavi. So, siya yung nag-prepare noon. Buti nga nagkaroon kami ng time na yun. Kasi nung Valentine's Day, he had work that time. Kasi nasa PBB siya noon. So, ginawa niya talaga ng paraan. So, we went straight to dinner. And yun lang po, nag-dinner kami together.
Kamusta na yung 1 year niyo? 1 year na kayo, di ka lang tayo.
Yes, more than a year na po
More than a year na
actually.
kayo. Kamusta yung first year ng relationship?
Ang saya. Actually, hindi na nga namin namalayan na 1 year na pala kami. Kasi parang kailan lang kami nung nag-start mag-date. But it's been a year, more than a year. And we're doing good and we're getting to know each other in a deeper level every day. And of course, talagang happy kami sa relationship.
Kamusta kayo ni Carmina?
Ay, oo, yun rin. Isa rin actually. Since matagal na rin kami ni Mavi, mas naging deeper na rin yung relationship ko with his family. Especially si Cassie. Grabe yung na-build namin na closeness. Especially last year, holidays, nung Christmas and New Year. Halos kami yung lagi magkakasama. Kasi hindi naman kami nag-out of the country. We all celebrated here in the Philippines. So kaming lagi magkakasama.
Ilang taon ba yung pagitan niyo?
3 years. Pero parang 2 years na rin kasi birthday ko December, siya January.
Oo, kasi
Parang magkalapit.
ano ko yung interview mo, parang
Kaya nga yung mga tao talaga. 3 years actually, pero parang 2 years kasi last month ako ng year.
pero hindi naman matagal yun. Hindi naman,
Oo, hindi naman, yes. Actually,
Pero
tsaka hindi
bakit
naman
naramdaman mo
halata.
parang may gap yung age niyo?
Actually, hindi ko naman naramdaman. Well, actually, of course, nung start pa lang, nung nangliligo pa lang si Mavi, syempre, tulad din naman ng sinabi ko dati, hindi talaga ako sanay na magkaroon ng boyfriend na younger than me. But then, Mavi really proved himself to me, proved his worth, and sobrang in-effortan niya ako. So, I fell in love with him, and hindi ko nararamdaman actually pag magkasama kami yung age gap namin sa isa't isa. Kasi, isip bata din naman ako eh. So parang namamatch naman namin yung maturity level ng isa't isa. And yeah, yun, hindi ko na naiisip na shocks ang layo pala ng age gap.
Balikan ko lang, nagkabag-bonding na ba kayo with the families? Kamusta si Carmina talaga? Paano kanya tinatawag?
Maraming moments na kami nag-bonding.
Kasi maraming nagsasabing,
I think that's fake news.
Di ba?
Sobrang bait ni Tita Carmina. Actually, even before pa naging kami ni Mavi, nakabuild na rin kami ng relationship ni Tita Carmina sa set ng Widow's Web. Lock and taping kasi yun. So parang 2 months kami nagkasama sa Tagaytay. And of course, syempre nung naging...
nakilala mo na siya.
Yes, matagal kami kasi mag-ate kami doon sa yung role namin sa Widow's Web. Ate ko siya. So talagang yung relationship namin, we also have to work it out kasi lagi kami yung magka-eksena. And of course, syempre pag lock and taping, yun yung lagi mo nakakasama during pandemic nung time na yun. So lagi ako nakiki-microwave kay Tita Carmina nung time na yun. And of course, nung naging kami na ni Mavi, nagyayaya sila mag-dinner, lalo na pag birthday ni Tito Zoren, birthday ng Kambal recently. Tapos pag birthday ni Tita Carmina, I was there when she turned 50. Yeah, when she turned 50. And yun, there are moments na nagyaya na lang sila mag-dinner sa house and they always welcome me.